starting this camera, and Mom's going to be calling me on this camera here, so it's 15:55 Friday, January 6th. At that time there, see that on the camera? Okay. So, oh, don't trip on that. No, wait. Okay, so this is it. Right here, there it is, right there. It's a box. Not much to see here. Just, I got the other camera going here. And I'm just going to turn this around and plop this here. And, okay, just put that like that. Okay. So, my wrapping has blown away because it's windy out here. Oh, gosh. Just going to make this really, really short for those of you who are interested or not. I've had this model since 2008. And I have another one similar to it. It looks like this. I can't see myself in that thing. This thing weighs 23 pounds in the box. There. Looks like that. It's got those features, okay? And here it is again. It's sealed. There's the bottom. Here's the top. Okay, and yeah, that's about all I know. This thing has a date on here of 2005 from whenever it was shipped from whomever. Just pause the video, read that, whatever. Okay, screenshot it. Okay, so got a box here. The box is this big. One of these boxes, they got something else in it. You know, this won't fit. It'll be nice, but it's too thick. And there's an equal one here. Line the bottom of this cushioning. Actually, I wanted to lay it kind of through here. There we go. Well, it's going. Oh well. You just dropping this thing in here. That's about it. And that's it. So, more of this stuff will be down the bottom here, and we'll put some on the side. So, well, let me just take this off the tripod or take this cell phone off the thing like that and get you an idea of what it looks like on this side. So, there it is, packed. No soda bottles, no. And see how it's nearly at the top. But I'll arrange it so I can get a layer of overwrap and some on the side there and ship it off. Okay. So had it, what, since 2008, you do the math. I don't know. Say goodbye to the YouTube people. Goodbye. Finish. Good day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. And that YouTube camera's still rolling. YouTube camera, okay. I may not have time to get to the post office today, but I'm going to try. So here it is in there like that. I'm going to put some more stuff on both sides and on the end. And I'm going to, get it away from the box here like this. Okay, and like I have some of this stuff right here already in the bottom, and so I'm just gonna, like that, it'd be good. And so it's like fairly, it's actually, well, I'll get one layer in there, but it's already well packaged, providing that they don't damage it, and I'll insure it and get a signature and all that. And so good day, bye bye, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, bye bye.